What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today I want to make a quick video going over an indicator that I feel like everybody can benefit from. It doesn't matter if you trade ICT, it doesn't matter if you're an advanced trader or a beginner trader. I feel like this is a super easy indicator to use that anybody can use, and it's not like a normal indicator. It's just going to give you a lot of clarity in your trading, help you with take profits, and just show you where the market's really moving. And this indicator is going to be the ICT kill zones and pivots indicator, and you don't need to be trading ICT concepts to use this indicator. I'm going to run through this really quick, make this a pretty fast, beginner friendly video where I can talk about this and how the basics and how it works. But before we get into the video, guys, if you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, I have a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Every single day, market analysis, live trade commentary, trade recaps, all that stuff in there, posting trades every single day. And if you guys want the premium role to have access to all the premium education, daily market breakdowns at the end of the day, and all that stuff, just send me a DM on TikTok with proof that you're subscribed on YouTube and follow me on TikTok, and I'll let you guys in there for free. But anyway, this video, we're going to go through ICT kill zones and pivots. Now, how do you get this? You're going to pull up the indicators and you're going to search ICT kill zones and pivots right here. And you're going to want this one right here. And you're going to put this on your chart. Now, you need to put the certain settings on your chart. So it's going to pop up over here. And when you click here, settings, you're going to want to copy these settings. I'm going to scroll through them really quick, pause the video, and then just put them exactly the same as I have them right here. And it's just going to be the times and everything like that. And just you have the right settings. Now, if you actually look up here and you look at London and all this stuff right here, these are just going to be the kill zones of each session. So 2 to 5, obviously London isn't just 2 to 5. This is just going to be the kill zone hours for each session, which are the most relevant hours of the session where the most volume and everything like that's traded. And they're going to all pop up on the charts. You can change the colors if you want. But for this example right here, I'm just going to show you in relation to the chart I have open up today. This is from Trading Today, but you can use these levels as take profits. You can use them as levels to trade off of, which is what I do. And it's just going to really help you in your trading. Even if you're like a support and resistance trader or something, you can target London low, you can target London high. This is where liquidity and this is where orders are resting. This is where people's stop losses are resting. This is just where order flow flows to these levels, and this is where orders are resting. So for example, right, price goes up here, sweeps out London high. Where does it go? It comes down to London low and Asia low. Then what does it do? Let's go over here. It sweeps out Asia high, and then it sweeps back down to Asia low. It's just targeting these levels all the time. So again, you can use these levels as take profits. You can use these however you want, right? It's just a good idea to have them on your chart so you know that we're trading towards a session high, a session low, and stuff like that. So it's gonna have, most importantly, your Asia highs and Asia lows, London highs, London lows, your New York AM and PM highs and lows, and it's also gonna have the true day open, the midnight open, and the 8:30 open, which are going to be key areas where price likes to target and react off of. So always pay attention to these levels. You can use them as take profits and stuff like that. And just looking at the chart right here, right? Like we can scroll pretty much anywhere on the chart and we can see how it's reacting. So for example, we sweep out Asia high. Where do we go? Back down to Asia low. We react off Asia low, come back up, sweep back London low, go back up to London high. You just see how these areas are used and reacted off of it, and how there's orders resting, and you can just use these for take profits. Even if you're trading, off support right here, you target London high, and it's just going to work like that. It's going to give you a little bit more clarity in your trading, and yeah, it's just going to be the kill zones of those sessions, and it's just going to help you out a lot, I feel like, in maneuvering through your trading. And hopefully, if you're a beginner and you implement this with a proper strategy and risk, you should be able to see big improvements in your trading. So that's going to wrap it up for this, guys. This is a quick one today. I just wanted to run through this quick for YouTube for anybody who wanted to know what the indicator was, because I know people were asking me, because I always have it in my videos. I have examples of using this pretty much every single trade recap that I post. So just check out the trade recaps that I post and the education videos that I post. I literally show examples using this like every day. So that's going to wrap it up for me, guys. Quick video today. I'll be back with an outlook tomorrow, depending if this goes up on Saturday. But until the next video, take a look at the links in my description, mentorship, Discord, all that stuff in there. Until the next video, I'll see you guys then. Peace.